Although this is not part of your review packet, I wanted to just do one more real quick review of this. So first things first, the y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So the y-intercept here would be 0, 5. And help if I put it in the right spot. The slope is the change in y over the change in x. So -1 minus 2 is -3. 2 minus 5 is -3. So my change in y is -3. Then I have my change in x, -6 minus 12 is equal to -6, and -6 minus 0 is -6. I did not leave myself a lot of room, but you understand you are subtracting from the bottom to the top, so my change in x is -6. You could also write this as 1/2 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And then what is my equation? Well, it's y equals mx plus b. M is my slope, which is -3/6 or 1/2. And my b is my intercept, which is 5. And that would be the equation. Go ahead, pause the video and try the other ones on your own. Okay, make sure you pause the video when you're checking your answers. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. If you can't read it, come ask me what's going on. Okay, this one's a little bit different than what we've seen before, but we're going to try it. First, let's identify the y-intercept, which is where x is 0. So the y-intercept is 0, -1. So I'm going to put a point there to start my graph. Then I'm going to find my slope. My slope is my change in y over change in x. So my change in y is 1 minus -1, which is 2. -1 minus -3 is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus -4 is 4. So my slope is 2 over 4. And I'm going to go ahead and graph that. So I need to go up 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now remember, this can also be simplified to 1/2. So you could always go up 1 over 2 as well. Either way, those points fall on the line. Okay? All right, pause video, try the next one on your own. Okay, check out this answer. Okay, let's try this one. First, I have my y equals mxb plus equation, where remember my m is my slope and my b is my intercept. So the intercept would be 0, -3. So I would put that point on my graph. That's my starting point. -3 on the y-axis. Then I would graph my slope. My slope is my m, 2 over 3. So I would need to go up 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. Again, that is up, 1, 2, over 1, 2, 3. Why did I go up? Because it is a positive slope, right? Go ahead and try the next one on your own. All right, so we have Cooper here, and Cooper wants to join the local fitness, Lifetime Fitness. There's a sign-up fee of $90. He will need to pay $120 per month. Well, I know my y-intercept is my one-time or starting point. The sign-up fee is $90. So my y-intercept would be 0, 90. My slope, how do I know my slope? Remember, that's the pattern. That's happening over and over again. Per month. Per. Okay? When you see per, every, each, that is slope. So what is my slope? It is 120. Now I'm going to put this into my y equals mx plus b equation. M is my slope, which is 120. X stays the same, and my intercept, or my b, is 90. Okay, try the other ones on your own. You finished up?
Yeah.
All right, you have to sign another place too. Are you nervous at all for school next year?
Not really.
No? You're confident? You know, stay caught up with the work and...
Yeah, cause like I've thought about it in the way like if I'm at a school, I'm studying at a school, like I have so much time to study. That's what I feel like.
Like, oh, more time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like.
No, I agree with you. Like,
Yeah.
it's different when you go to, like, how many classes are you going to take?
I don't know. I'm meeting with the counselor in May 20 something. I don't know.
Okay. I mean, ask whatever your counselor says. I wouldn't take more than 4 classes if I were you, just to start. That's 12 is a full load. You know, a lot of people will take 15, but like, I don't know if you would want to start there. Do you know what I mean? You might want to just start with what a full load is instead of maxing yourself out, being that it'll be new and it'll be a lot of studying and things like that. But that's what I suggest for the first semester.
4 classes.
4, yeah. Or like 12 credits. Maybe there's like one class that's like a seminar and you get an extra credit or something, but I wouldn't take more than 4 classes, no.
How long are classes? Is it like an hour in college?
No, it really depends on the course. Like some classes you'll have like a seminar, which will be in like a huge like room, kind of like I don't know, like what's that theater called? The one by the pool. Have you ever been in there?
PAC maybe?
Yeah, or like the West Auditorium, like one of those big theaters.
Yeah.
And you'll like have maybe like a 2-hour class like twice a week, but then you might have something called like a lab, like maybe you're working on a group project or something like that, and that might happen for an hour like once a week. So most classes are like 2 days a week, I would say, sometimes 3. But you will have more time for sure, but sometimes like when you have too much time, then you think, then it's easy to procrastinate when you have a lot of time. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Do you ever do that, do you think?
Not really.
No?
I don't have much time.
Okay. Well, I don't know. Do you think do you procrastinate at all?
Well,
ever?
yeah, probably.
Yeah. I'm not judging you. I'm a huge procrastinator. So I would, setting yourself up a schedule where, like, these times I'm going to the library or something. Every Tuesday, Thursday, just knock that as part of your schedule, and that'll make, like, easier keeping up with your studies. Sometimes it's easy, I don't know, depending on who you are, like, removing yourself from your dorm if, like, your friends are in there, your roommate's, like, playing video games or something. I don't know. Don't be a slob. Your roommate won't like that.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. You don't come across,
I'm
like...
rooming with my cousin, actually.
Oh, that'll be nice. So then you can just,
Yeah.
like, keep it real and don't have, like, that awkwardness.
Yeah.
Well, that'll be good. It's exciting. How is your cousin a good influence?
Yeah, kinda.
Kind of. You guys gonna keep each other in line?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. They're not convincing me. Are you gonna do, like, any intramurals or anything like that?
I don't know yet. I don't know how it's like, how busy it would have to, or how much time it would take,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. I think you'd like doing, like, a club, though, maybe. Or, like, and just because you like sports, it's a good way to meet people.
Yeah. Could I go to the bathroom?
Mm-hmm. Did you get a mint, Blake? Feel better now? No? Okay. Hey, Blake. Blake. Is there anything else going on? You're worrying me right now.
No, fine.
Okay. All right, I'll stop asking.
Gonna take it.
Okay.
Ready? Thank you for your patience. Natalie will be right back. Okay.
Good for the year.
Did you edit your sentences? Did you check those too or no?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you want to just double check them so I don't have to ever say anything to you ever again? Do it. Just look at them. I think you already did. All you got to do is open it and check.
Are you for my water bottle?
No, you were just gone, you turd.
Yeah, but I didn't bring my water bottle.
I would like you to check those sentences, please.
I looked at them.
You said you don't know. Please don't make it an argument. Angel? Way too long.
I'm sorry. Water, please.
No, I already told you what you got to do first.